laughing at?
I've got a little caravan.
He's got a little caravan.
Get in the back.
What are you doing? You've been a pest.
What a lovely day.
It is.
Look at all the birds.
They're crazy.
Got you then.
That's really funny.
Wow.
Not bad.
Sweeping quite low, aren't they?
Shall I go and have a look for a menu?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. You're gorgeous. Friendly?
She's scared you. She won't bite you. She's just scared you.
Hey.
Good girl.
Oh, you're beautiful. Oh yeah, there's a step there. I've been to Cervantes, but I don't think I've been to Caravan Park. I went to co-op.
Just checking in.
What's up? We got our swag ready. Are you going to sleep in there with me tonight? What do you reckon? Yeah? Me and you snuggle up tonight in there? Look at these little shelter things. Oh wow. Yeah, I wonder if we can walk along there. What are these weird little hut things? So we're in Cervantes. This is Mum. She's not really bothered about talking, but she said she'll be on video. Dad's in front. Dad doesn't want to be on video, but it is his birthday weekend, so we're going to have to sing happy birthday to him later. Just walking past the beach at Cervantes. The tide's out. Unfortunately, we can't take little madam on this beach, but we should be able to go down to the lookout on the beach there. Very stinky, lots of seaweed. Just gonna have a wander back to camp and go from there. Yeah. So this is Rexy. We're at the Cervantes RAC Caravan Park. my awning. I've got my new drawers, my new king's drawers in my awning. Wally the wallaby. So they got their own little bit for their bed. Their little cute caravan with their little awning. A little piglet. Say hello. Hi. She's got a little sunbathing mat, haven't you? A little cute Oz-Star caravan.
They're just like little rock things.
Yeah, so they're living, yeah, because they're out at, there's another place, isn't there, near?
Yeah.
Stromolites are descendants of the earliest life forms on Earth.
It just looks like weeds.
So yeah, they're living.
These are them. They're them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. They're them.
Whereas when it's really shallow.
Yeah, I think that's what I was saying. I think there's more water here than when we came and you could see them.
Because there's some on the other side, isn't there? Over.
These, look. These are them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This is a cool little.
Yeah, because it's like. Yeah, you see here, look, we're actually in the water.
Yeah, wow.
That's how high it is. When
So
we've
if it
been
wasn't.
before, it was a bit lower.
If it wasn't so high, you'd really be able to.
Yeah. It's because we're on the water's high. Yeah, look how high it is. It's
Oh wow!
It's going to get higher soon.
Is it? Oh yeah, because of all the water, all the rain we're having. Sure, there's not been. Oh, okay, it's a lot healthy and damaged.
Yeah.
So, oh yeah, you can see them out here.
Yeah, there is lots of them, but the water's so high.
No. You can see little raindrops.
But yeah, I think you better come in like when it's a bit more in the summer when it's dried up a bit.
Yeah, then you can actually
because
see them more.
All this around here was completely dry.
Yeah, I think so, eh?
Yeah.
Are we going to be brave and walk down that way, or do you reckon we're going to get chucked on? Oh look! All the shells! Do you remember the
oh yeah,
that beach we went on?
yeah. I thought he was going to video the poo. You're videoing the poo now.
Oh, I'm looking at the shells.
Oh, videoing poo.
Look, there's all these tiny. So they're all at that beach.
Yeah.
Down at
snails, aren't they? Down at
that beach is absolutely covered.
Yeah.
At Bluff Knob. Me Crocs and me socks. These socks are from South Africa. They're what Michelle brought me. They're called sexy socks.
Yeah.
Oh, jeepers. So we just found a little lookout. This is Hanson Bay Lookout, and we just saw these steps. We're gonna do it, all in the name of a lookout. Look. Look at that.
Probably about calm to them. I'm a bit worried because I think it's calm before
Calm before the storm.
Very calm.
It's crazy.
How gorgeous is it? It's absolutely amazing. I love it.
Little Piggy's already gone to bed. So this is the little wallaby caravan. We've just had dinner and cleaned up in the little sink. And Mum's got all her little cupboards, and there's a TV and microwave, lots of cupboards, and then there's the toilet shower in there. She's got a little shower curtain that's so cute.
Well, that's so that when you have a shower, you pull it across and it doesn't get all the toilet and everything.
Yeah,
I saw
that's a
that
good
on
idea.
YouTube.
And of course she's got a coffee machine.
Of course, I've got my little espresso cup here, look, from Yellingup.
That's cute. That is very cute. Little fan, and you've got your little control panel that controls everything in the caravan. It's very cute. Lots of storage, like there's even storage all up here as well. I can't know how much storage there is. Aircon and heating.
Yep, diesel heating.
Diesel heating. And then a little cute little fat piglet. What are you doing, Piggy? That's already made herself in bed. What are you doing, Piglet? It's a little map, and they're putting pins everywhere that they're going around Australia. Very cute. So I've moved the swag under the canopy as it's given lots of rain tonight, and I haven't managed to season the swag, so we have her under the canopy. Hopefully we will be all good. Alright guys, I'm in bed. Feels very comfy. It's started raining, so I had to like run into bed. I've got the, probably can't see. I've got the canvas open and the fly screen shut, and I'm under canvas of the car. And yeah, hope you have a good night's sleep. I'll catch you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Absolutely choked it down last night. Swag held up pretty well. I did have the doors open. So I did get a little bit wet, but yeah. This little naughty girl was up whinging all night in my parents' caravan trying to get to me. But yeah, not too bad. What are you doing? I've ordered another mat thing for the swag, just to give it a little bit more cushioning. And then idiot neighbours were awake until, I don't know, 1 AM, keeping me up. Yeah, not a bad night. I've got this little naughty that turns away from the camera. Yes, you're naughty. Look at this little human. Are you ignoring me? Frankie! This little belly. It's so warm in the sunshine. What are you doing, little human? Are ya? Are you a little human?
Just 30 minutes a day.
Oh dear. So I didn't do much filming this morning. The weather is absolutely horrendous. So we're heading out of Cervantes now. The sky is just black. Definitely a good little adventure. I did it for Dad's birthday. Nice to try out the swank for the first time, get the awning out, parents' caravan. Don't think I'll be doing any more filming today. I've got the time lapse on.